Alright, here we are doing a comparison test on the snap-on ratchet versus the AC Delco electric ratchet. Both of them are 2 amp hour batteries. One of them is 14.4 volts, the other one's 12 volts. Oh, battery's not in that one. So we got this nut and bolt on the vise. We're going to tighten them down and then see how much it takes to break them loose. Here we go. Bam.
So that's rated at what, 40 foot-pounds to take off, I think.
I don't know exactly what it's rated at, to tell you the truth. Just set it at the max. That way it'll read until it busts off of here.
We should get a view of that right there.
There we go, I'm moving it. So this would show us an actual value of the torque rating as we bust it loose. Yeah.
Looked like about 30 foot-pounds.
Yep, 31 Newton meters is what it busted loose at. So foot-pounds, that's 99.6
Oh wow.
foot-pounds breakaway. We'll do it one more time. Just to try it. Oh, it's still pretty tight on there. Threads a little bit. It's not easy to turn on and off anymore. Boom. Alright, now we got it in foot-pounds instead of Newton meters. And I think, yeah, it'll start counting again. That was much less, 23 foot-pounds.
That's kind of, oh. I wonder if cranking it down hard that first time messed up the threads and made it harder to take off. That's why it took 99 foot-pounds.
Okay, maybe so.
Maybe. Because that's like twice the rating for that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If I remember correctly. It's not that bad, really. What about the nut?
Oh, it's still got threads on there.
Yeah.
It's pretty tough. I guess we'll try to torque it down now. What are we going to torque it to?
Let's go 40, because I believe that snap-on is supposed to be able to break off at 40. So.
I think I'm pulling threads apart here.
Yeah, I wonder if that bolt's gonna fail. That bolt's failing, dude. Batteries. Yeah, it's well, your snap-on pretty much started the process of stripping the bolt there. It's like it's got power. Man.
hot.
8.8. Wow.
Ooh, this is a steamy bolt. What else we got?
Well, so as far as features go, this AC Delco doesn't have anything compared to the Snap-on, except for supposedly comparable torque rating. This Snap-on's got the LED, it's got the battery level indicator, even has a smaller head, even though they're both 3/8 drive. I mean, it's just all around better tool. I mean, but it is for the professional. But it's also over twice the amount of cost. So we'll see in a little bit how far that gets us.
New one and a bigger one.
I'll just go with the bigger one. What'd you say you paid for this?
I think that and a charger and 2 batteries was like $350, I think.
$350.
Yeah.
Alright. This came off Amazon for 136 bucks. Free shipping, 2 batteries, and a charger. But the batteries are 12 volt, and yours is 14.4, I think. The Snap-on. Yeah, a little bit bigger. More voltage. I would suspect it's gonna last longer.
Yeah, Snap-on man claims it's virgin copper and rare earth magnets in there.
And yeah, it's like a brushless motor, right?
He said it's still got brushes in this one.
Oh, it does.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure it does. So, are you gonna do the same thing again or what?
Yeah. Let's do that again. That battery should be charged pretty soon.
Here we go. Just tighten it down.
Yeah. I don't think that's stripped. That's quite a bit larger bolt.
Sure.
Do the thing or?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
Yep.
It's coming loose.
27 and a half foot-pounds.
Uh-oh. Dude, that thing is killing some bolts, I think.
Too tight.
Yeah, I can't even turn it with my fingers.
Damn, maybe that's not a reliable test. We need some grade. They're all kind of like.
You know what? I wonder if it's hitting on that little neck right there. You see that? You can see
pushing
where
them all, sort of.
Do you have a washer? So that we can take up that space?
I think so.
That might be what it is. Because you can see where it's been rubbing. You know what I mean? On the base there. And right there on, yeah. Ooh. Now, as far as some of you seeing this AC Delco, there's some videos on YouTube, and it's not getting its torque rating, its advertised torque rating. I did read in the directions about the batteries that it requires 5 to 10 charges before they reach full capacity anyway. So that might be a problem in itself as far as doing a test, but we'll see what happens. That battery that's being charged now is only the second time it's ever been charged, so.
There you go. Get the washer on there now.
Yeah, that definitely will keep it from hitting that little neck or whatever you call it.
If I tighten it down, it might not spin. Like, I don't know if you want to get.
Well, see, my like little hypothesis is the 57 foot-pound rating, I think, is if you were spinning it down, and then the extra torque that it has from, you know, moving is going to crank it down that little bit harder.
Right. So, we are looking for that.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Well, it comes out of your hand. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, you put two hands on it. 38.1.
It's got a 40 foot-pound torque rating or whatever. Oh, look,
Pretty close.
it just spins right off of there too.
Yeah.
So it's definitely the washer is what was destroying bolts for us. Get that nice and straight again.
So now let's crank it down to 40 foot-pounds on the torque wrench and see if the snap-on will break it loose.
Foot-pounds right there. See it on our nice fancy ass torque wrench here. Beep. Beep. 41. Where we ended up getting it on. Alright, I'm not gonna ratchet it at all. I'm just gonna hit the button. See how it goes.
It was like with ease.
Spun it right off of there.
With ease.
That's good stuff. Wanna go higher?
Yeah, let's do 45. Let's go with 5-pound increments, I guess.
Cool. 45 now. Beep. Right on the money. Look at that. 45.
Nice. I guess we're jumping to 50.
Let's do it. 50 it is. 5-0. Beep. 50.7 is what the meter says.
I bet it takes it right off of there.
Ready? Oh! Oh!
I guess 45 is where we're at.
Yep.
On the tape.
Between 45 and 50 for the snap-on one. Brake torque. How's your battery doing over there?
Still bleeping. It's charging.
Still bleeping.
Don't know how long it's supposed to take. The first time it charged in like 15 minutes, but it might have come from the factory somewhat charged, you know?
Right.
I haven't even used the other battery yet. You know, after reading about it needing to be charged 5 to 10 times before you get full capacity, I just figured I'd use the one until.
Right. Now we're gonna check the brake torque or the tightening torque again, just for shits and giggles. Well, I guess I shouldn't cuss. What's going on the internet? around the 36.4 is what it broke off that time. So right around the, if we round up, 40.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure they give this rating on a fully charged, freshly come out of the charger battery,
Right.
So that's at least right around where I believe it's advertised.
Where it should be.
Yeah.
This one's got a nice charge indicator right there. See the green light means this should be, I think, like at least 80% charged. Well, we just took the battery off the charger, so it should be fully charged. But like Shannon was saying, I've only had it for a few months. I don't know if I've put 5 or 6 battery charging cycles through it, so I don't know how much of an effect that has.
Yeah, well, I only read that in the AC Delco, man. I don't know if, but I assume lithium-ion batteries are pretty close to all the same. I mean, it's a lithium-ion battery, so we'll see. I don't know. You want to pause it until that's charged or whatever?